A nation held its breath as their president delivered the worst of news. Once again, the liberties of the French people will be taken away.
I have trust in us, in you, trust in our capacity to get through this challenge.
Residents will have to stay home again. Only essential movement will be granted by police. This time, though, schools and factories will stay open.
You'll be able to leave your house only to work, for a medical appointment, to provide assistance to a relative, to shop for essential goods or to get some air near your house. This means the return of the permission slip.
It's hard. It's hard to tell ourselves we're closing again, we're losing everything again.
Germany was victorious in round one, but it's faltered now, and the virus is out of control there too.
What makes the current pandemic situation so serious is the speed at which the virus spreads. It's very fast.
They've dubbed it lockdown light, but for Germany's hospitality sector, there's nothing moderate about it.
Politicians should ask us what they can do to save us.
Bars, restaurants, theatres, cinemas and gyms will need to shut for most of November. Schools can stay open for now. Germany's renowned test and trace system is overwhelmed.
The only way to really mitigate this is to reduce the numbers again to, say, a few hundred new cases a day, because then the track and trace works again and then it can be sustained even though infections occur.
The question here in England is, will Boris Johnson take note of what's happening across the Channel and follow suit? If the status quo remains, British scientists warn there could be 25,000 people in hospital and 500 deaths a day by the end of next month.
Things do look very serious indeed. I mean, I've been looking at the deaths. We had a very large number reported yesterday, but they're going at about over 150 a day and doubling every 2 to 3 weeks.
Some scientists argue the European leaders should be going even further.
Because if that doesn't work, then we're going to have to do a full lockdown in a scenario where the case counts is even higher. And then that full lockdown has to go well into the Christmas period.
It'll be a festive season like no other. Samantha Hawley, ABC News, London.